everybody, and welcome to this week's episode of Soul Fitness TV. My name is Whitney, and this is my papi Jose.
Ya tú sabes.
So in this week's episode, we're sharing with you 7 ideas that you can stay healthy and active with your kids.
Esta semana tenemos 7 ideas para que usted se mantenga activo con sus niños.
So we hope that you like these ideas. If you give one of them a try, please leave us a comment below or share how you stay active with your kids.
Ya tú sabes.
As we like to say, we encourage you to be strong inside and out.
Fuerte por dentro y por
Fuera.
Ya tú sabes. Te queremos mucho. Que Dios te bendiga.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week.
All right.